Hello there. Welcome to the PJ Show. Today I'll be doing a DIY do-it-yourself light box for making YouTube videos, because I started making YouTube videos and I need to make one. So before I start, I'm gonna medicate a little bit. Make sure I'm nice and ready to go, and then we'll get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna get my cheap tripod because I'm too lazy to take the bottom of the mount off of this camera. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to make a trapezoid. I realized that it's probably funnier to watch me do math and try to do stuff, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Now, I'm gonna Google. I think this is how I gotta do it. Yeah, vacuum this freaking carpet again. So let's do this. To make the math easy, 12 inches on the bottom, which means halfway through would be 6 inches. I'm gonna draw a line going up. I just need to make one, okay? I need to make one so I can make a stencil, and the rest will be freaking easy. If I do the middle, right? I think what I'm doing right now is I'm making like a perfect like right angle triangle, right? I feel like that's not gonna be good enough. I wish I knew how to do it. What if I do 6-inch line, right? Right? Ooh, that's sexy. Whatever. Okay, I got my piece that I'm gonna make stencils out of. Another one. Another one. Sweet. Got my 4 trapezoidal pieces. This bad boy right here. Cool. So I'm gonna cut a hole in this, my light bulb, kind of right here. Perfect. Look at that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put some tin foil on these and make them nice and reflective. Okay, sorry about that. My camera died, so we're doing this, the rest of this on my phone. Alright, so now I'll let that dry a little bit, but I can plug in a light bulb adapter. Now I have a LED light that I can plug into an extension cable. Plug that in, and we got a bright LED light. And then just to kind of hold it together, I'm actually going to be using tape. I want to put something in front of it to kind of diffuse it a bit, so that way, you know, it's not direct light. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this trash bag, I'm going to cut it so that the back part, that's nice and clean. Take your freshly cut trash bag. Put this over it. It's going to soften the light. Let's go test this out and see how this DIY light box actually works. Okay, so this is just the normal lighting of my room that I'm going to start recording videos in once I get it cleaned up and set up. But let's go ahead and test out my new light and see a difference, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is what the box lighting looks like. I'm actually pretty happy. I only spent this much money on the whole project. But I'll link in the description kind of what I used, and if I have examples, I'll give those. But anyways, I'm excited about this light, so I'm going to build a second one of these so that I have new lighting. But yeah, this is going to be my new studio, and I'm actually going to clean this room up this weekend and start making videos in here. So stick around and let's get medicated. Hi, this is PJ. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. I plan on making more content in the future, so stick around and smoke a bowl with me. Oh, and don't forget, Epstein didn't kill himself.